Today I'm going to showing you how to make Osamason type beat.
A scare.
This is what you need for this beat. So I'm going to use my own newest drum kit devoid, link in description. Start with this first synth pattern. Then render it, reverse it, turn down the volume and stretch it a little bit. Then use the second synth and use slide notes for more unique sound. For the last synth, again, use slide notes. And for the key, make simple notes. Then for the drums, make this hi-hat pattern with low and high notes to get more bouncier rhythm. Simple claps. Open hat. 808. And kick. Here is final loop with drums.
A scare.